Hey friends, thank you guys so much for watching. Sorry about my voice. I feel like I might be getting sick, but I'm gonna put it out there. I'm not getting sick. I'm not, even though I think I might be. Anyways, I'm really excited. Oh, my voice is cracking. I'm so excited because I went to Target a while ago and I bought these guys. They were $7 each. You guys, this is the Target box that I did my haul on last time. Justin gave me as like part of a Christmas present. This time around, I actually saw it in stores. It's right by like the beauty aisle where you can find like lotion, shampoo, makeup. It's right there, like on an end cap. They sell it for $7 each, and I bought all the different boxes, and today we're gonna unbox it. Oh my gosh. So I did not look inside this box. Like I had it sealed. Today I finally like took off the plastic, and today we are gonna unbox these together. So I just have to ask you which one first, because one says all the mask, one says wake up and makeup, and one says treat yourself. So which one? Which one? I think wake up and makeup. And like I mentioned, everything was $7 in store, and I'm sure they sell it online. But online, if you try online, it will sell. It sells out fast. Okay, so let's open the box for the wake up and makeup. Okay, so the box isn't like the box where you open it and then I can show you. It's a box like this. So I'm going to take out everything and show you guys. Oh my goodness. $7. CoverGirl Peacock Flare Mascara in black. Let's open it and see. I just have to see. I've never heard of this mascara. Dang, packaging is cute. Okay. Doesn't smell bad. I smell my mascaras because if I can't handle the smell, I can't put it on my face. That's just how I am. So I've never tried this mascara in my life, but I'm really excited. So that is probably over $7 already. So totally bought the box and it's totally worth it, right? And then this is an e.l.f. blending brush. Oh my goodness. This is new, right? I've never seen this brush before. You guys, I'm probably too old to say this, but this box, I am, wait for it, I'm shook. Justin and I, we make fun of each other because like we're way too old to be using words like that, but we like it, like we do. Oh my goodness, this is beautiful. e.l.f. Natural Glow Face Palette, fresh and flawless. Let's open this box up. I want to see. Like, oh dang, e.l.f. Like, what happened here? Did you guys like upgrade your life? Jeez, look at that packaging. My goodness, beautiful. Oh my gosh, this looks like a really expensive palette. And you know e.l.f. is affordable. These colors, oh my goodness, you guys, it's looking like that Too Faced natural like palette that came out, like that natural blush palette and highlighter. The colors, oh my gosh, it's beautiful. Oh my gosh, e.l.f., dang. Okay, so it doesn't list the price, but it like there's a piece of paper that like lists everything inside, but no price. I do appreciate the price because then I'm gonna know like, oh my gosh, I spent this much. You know, like, oh, this is worth this much, but then I only spent $7 on this box. Honest, refreshing, clean makeup remover wipes. How many is in here? 7 sheets. So I'm gonna be going to Chicago soon, so I'm gonna bring this with me because any wipes like travel, I like to use up and bring with me. This is a Sonia Kashuk Quick Dry Makeup Brush Wipe. Again, great for traveling. I'm going to put this aside and keep that for traveling. And then some coupons. Hey. Oh, it's coupons of everything that was in here. So there's a $1 off Dove deodorant coupon, $1 off hair care, and $3 off Honest Beauty purchase of $15 or more. So coupons are always a good idea. And then this is a Dove Refresh and Care Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. Ooh, you guys, it's travel size. You guys know I'm going to bring it with me. Ooh, it smells good. Revive hair without water. Tell me why so many brands out there are now doing dry shampoo. I guess it's a thing, right? You know, like I wash my hair every single day. And like, please don't judge me. You guys, sometimes twice a day. And I still like dry shampoo, even though I wash my hair a lot. I use it as like hair perfume. And then the last thing is this full-size dry spray invisible Dove deodorant. And it says 48-hour antiperspirant. Come on. 48 hours and you haven't taken no bath? Come on. Or shower? No. I don't think deodorants like that need to exist. Just kidding. Not really. I'll take a bath daily. I shower daily. So like when something says that it provides all that, I was like, I don't need that much time like to help with my armpits because I washed it at least once every 24 hours. Okay, let's not talk about this anymore. Now we're gonna open all the masks, which is a $7 box as well. So let's check it out. I'm gonna dump everything out. I got everything here. So, okay, so this is Yes to Carrots Nutrition Boosting for Depleted Skin Vitamin Enriched Kale Paper Mask. And this is 100% vegan, so if anyone out there is vegan and wants a vegan mask, this is it. This is from Mask Bar. It's a luminizing charcoal peel-off mask. Ooh, I'm so excited. I love peel-off masks, so I'm really excited about this. Neutrogena Hydro Boost Hydrating Hydrogel Mask. I've actually tried these, and I love them, so this is definitely worth purchasing, like the box just for this, because I already know the results of this. It like leaves your skin really soft. And then St. Ives has sheet masks now. Nuh-uh. Oh my gosh, this is the St. Ives Soothing Sheet Mask in oatmeal. Gently soothes for soft, supple skin. Paraben-free, dermatologist tested. You guys, can I just say my hair smells incredible? This dry shampoo is everything. It's called Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo. My hair, I smell it. Like, I'm like, ooh, what is that? It's my hair. It smells so good. I just thought I'd share. But I'm so shocked. St. Ives has sheet masks now. And I have the lotion. Like, I have it, like, right over there. The oatmeal scented one. And now they have sheet masks. That's amazing. And this is a different one. A multi-mask pack. One is Repair. One is Perfect. Oh my gosh, I love this. These are like different masks, but you put it on different parts of your face. So the Repair, you put it on your T-zone. The Perfect, you put on the cheeks. It like tells you with the pictures. Nourish, you put it under your eye. I've never had anything like this where like you have to put it on different parts of your face. I love this idea. You guys, Target did their dang thing with this box. Oh, and then $1 off St. Ives facial care. Very nice. Always good to have coupons. But I wish they had more coupons. Like, the other box had like 3 coupons. This one only had 1. But still, I love this box. This is amazing. $7. Okay, you guys. This is the last one. It's called the Treat Yourself one. So let's go ahead and treat ourselves to $7 and see what's inside here. This one's the heaviest box, by the way. Okay, so it comes with, I already know I like this, the Olay Regenerist Whip. Powerful wrinkle results without heaviness active moisturizer. Yes, I love Olay. The micro sculpting cream is my jam. And this is just like whipped version, I guess. Heck yes, yes please. And this is the trial size, which means travel friendly, which means I'm gonna set aside to bring with me to Chicago. And then Burt's Bees Lip Balm. And this is Red Dahlia. Okay. I do like the pink one. I have the pink version of this. And it's like sheer but tinted at the same time, but not like opaque, and very moisturizing. And this one, I don't know. It doesn't really have a scent. It just... Oh, it does. It has like... I don't know how to describe it. Like a waxy scent, but it doesn't smell bad. It kind of smells like honey in a way. Do you guys know what I mean with the Burt's Bees scents? Yeah, so it comes with that. And then it comes with Free and Lovely by Bodycology coconut and rose softening body butter with cocoa and shea, and it's proudly free of parabens and phthalates. Let's smell it. You guys, I'm going to be smelling so good by the end of this video. I did use deodorant, but I did not use a 48-hour one. Okay, it smells good, but it's not my jam. Like coconut and rose together. It smells good, but it's not for me. I'm just being honest. Oh my gosh, it comes with a bath bomb. Makes skin super soft. Teeny Me Lavender Lullaby Bath Bomb. It comes with 1. This is perfect. My boy Liam loves bath bombs, so I'm really excited to get this to him. And then it comes with a Meltaways Bath Candy, sweet and clean. So this is place 3 Meltaways into warm bath water and let your skin drink in the rich hydration. Dang, I'm reading it and don't you guys want to take a bath already? Due to the ultra-concentrated formula of the bath melt, dissolving may take several minutes. To dissolve quickly, rub the melt under warm running water. The product may add subtle color to your bath water. So you know what this is? This is just like a bath bomb, but they just want to call it a bath candy. I get it. Okay. I can't wait to smell it because then Liam's going to use this too. I don't take baths. But my son does. Oh, and it comes with 3. Yeah, it's definitely a bath bomb, like cute little mini bath bombs that they want to call bath candies, which is really cute, you guys. And then Dr.Teals Pink Himalayan Foaming Bath. Restore and replenish with pure Epsom salt and essential oils. Okay, so let's smell it. Ooh. That smells fresh and clean. I can barely smell because I feel like I'm getting sick, but I can still smell this. But I'd have to smell hard. It's like very subtle, but I like that clean scent, you guys. Good stuff. This is an Honest Beauty Refreshingly Clean Gel Cleanser. And this is, okay, with warm water. Oh, this is for the face. Okay, awesome. Great for traveling. I'm going to bring this with me. You guys, I love like anything that's like mini, I like to travel with because then I don't have to bring it back home. You know what I mean? Like you can just get rid of it because you probably used it all up already, you know, while traveling. And the last thing, coupons. This one, they hooked it up with a lot of coupons. So we got a coupon for Bodycology Free and Lovely, that lotion that I don't really like the scent, the coconut rose. I like coconut separately. I like rose separately, but I don't like them together. And then $1 off the Dr. Teals Restore and Replenish Body Wash. I like the way that smells. Like, I love traveling, you know, and bringing minis, but I love the way this smells so much that I want to shower with it, like, tonight, like, right away. Like, I love the way it smells. So I can't save that. $3 off Olay Whip Facial Moisturizer coupon. $1 off the bath bomb. $2 off the baby bath bombs, like the candy bath bombs. And then $3 off Honest Beauty purchase of 15 or more. So lots of coupons. I showed you guys 3 different types of boxes. So lots of goodies in those boxes. Which one did you guys like? Did you like the Treat Yourself box better? The All the Mask box? The Wake Up and Makeup? I personally like the Wake Up and Makeup box the most, I think. Whichever one that had the Olay Whip and the, I guess, you know, I like them all because there were like different things that I liked. But my favorite thing that I found in every single box, definitely this Dove Fresh Coconut Dry Shampoo because my hair smells amazing. The Olay Whip, of course, because I love Olay products. The Body Wash by Dr. Teals. The ELF, oh my gosh, I'm just going to list everything. The ELF palette, holy moly, you guys. That blush, I need to just put it on. Like, it's just such a beautiful. The one in the bottom right here. But I think these Target boxes, every single one is totally worth the money. The mask one, I'm so excited about. I love sheet mask. But yeah, I'm just so excited to play with all these new samples. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know if you guys want me to continue purchasing these Target boxes and sharing what's inside, because I love doing them for you. And definitely subscribe. Add me on your notification bell so you know when I upload a new video. And I'll see you next time. Bye, friends.